COVID-19 has claimed one life in the past 24 hours, taking the total death toll in the state to 377 till date. The deceased was a 61-year-old male from Imphal West. He died at Shija Hospital in Imphal. The latest update from the State Health Department informed that 54 new cases of COVID-19 were registered in the same duration, while 12 people were recovered. An official release from Manipuri COVID-19 Command Control Room said the cumulative number of COVID-19 infection tally has reached 29,775, while the active cases stand at 296. The state recovery rate is 97.73%, the release added. The number of COVID-19 active cases in India yesterday crossed the 2 million mark as the mammoth surge of new infections continued to push the overburdened healthcare system to limits. The latest in the series of grim landmarks for the country comes only 10 days after active cases in the country crossed the 1 million active cases mark on April 10. As of Monday night, there were a total of 230,725 active cases across the country, the highest active caseload ever recorded in India since the start of the outbreak in March last year, according to COVID-19 dashboard. Former Prime Minister of India Manmohan Singh was admitted to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS in Delhi yesterday after testing positive for COVID-19. According to media reports, the 88-year-old former Prime Minister, who has been having a mild fever since the past 2 days, tested positive for COVID-19 last morning. He has been admitted to the AIIMS Trauma Center for monitoring and further treatment, and his condition is reported to be stable. He had taken both the doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, report said. Acting on a tip-off, personnel of Lilong police station led by its officer in charge have arrested a Bangladeshi man for impersonating an Indian citizen. A police report said Mohammad Ramjan Ali, aged 35 years, of Piali Mari village, Chapai Nawabganj, Bangladesh, was arrested last evening. He was staying at Lilong Bazaar area without possessing legal documents since 2017. A case has been registered under Foreigners Act in connection to this. The government has announced that COVID-19 vaccination will be made available to all citizens above the age of 18 years from May 1 onwards. According to media reports, the much-awaited announcement comes when India has been recording a daily surge of over 200,000 cases of the coronavirus disease for the past 5 days. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said during the meeting, India is vaccinating people at world record pace and will continue this with even greater momentum.